Hey guys, this is Atrium Lighting, and today I'm excited to show you our latest VELA modules. So I'll walk you through some of the features and show you how to wire them up. So they come in 320 watt versions as well as a 240 watt version, and the overall dimensions are just under 3 feet by just under 10 inches. Which really gives you great coverage in a 2x4 or even a 3x3. Really each of these panels are looking down at kind of a 2x2 area, and if you want the 320 watt version, it adds 50% more power in the middle for some extra light. The VELA units use really efficient Samsung LM301B diodes as paired with the Osram 660 nanometer diodes. For a really efficient package. We've tested these at 2.6 micromoles per joule, and the third-party lab testing is available on our website. They also have waterproof designs, so all of these modules, all of these panels are coated, so you can spray them down with water with no issues of any electrical shorts or anything. So onto the side, you can see that they're a really low profile panel. The heatsink is only 10 millimeters thick, and we engineered these so that the modules are kept cool, and the diodes have to kind of maximize the diode life. On the back, you can see that the modules are pre-wired for a driver. So they have these waterproof connections, and all you have to do is connect in a driver and you're good to go. So I'll show you that in a little bit. Additionally, you can see these driver brackets. So these driver brackets actually hold a variety of mean well drivers. They're HLG 240 and 320 watt versions, as well as the XLG 240. They also have additional mounting holes in here, so you can mount them to a rail and string up a whole bunch of these all at once. Lastly, we've got pairs of threaded holes to allow you to attach any accessories that you want. We wanted to kind of make it a little DIY friendly. So with that, let me show you how to wire up one of these. Let's jump in. So I'm going to show you how to wire up the 320 watt version. I've got the Meanwell HLG-320H-54A driver. And all you need really is a Phillips head screwdriver and a junction connector and a power cord, which are all included if you get it with the driver. The first step is just to install the driver onto the module. All you do is slide it onto find the holes on the driver bracket. Use the included screws. Screw them down. The next step is to wire in the DC output of the driver to the input on the module. So for this, we just remove the cover on the junction connector. Slide both pieces onto the DC output on the driver. And then connect this to the junction connector. Now on the junction connector, there's actually two channels. There's a copper color channel and a silver channel. And you'll want to connect the red output lead from the driver to the copper and the black to the silver. So the way to do that is to loosen the screws. Slide in the wires and tighten them down. You don't need to go super tight. Just make sure that the screws are biting onto the actual copper part of the wire and not the plastic sleeve. The next part, you just reassemble the junction connector. Tighten that half down, and then tighten the last piece. And the input connection is done. The last step here is to connect the power cord to the driver input using the waterproof junction connector. Alright, so we skipped ahead a little bit. I've already connected up the power cord to the driver input using the waterproof junction connector. And all you want to make sure is the green from the power cord matches up with the green and yellow wire to the driver input. The black goes to the brown, and the white goes to the blue. We have a wiring chart on our website you can reference, and this chart, the color codes are matched up on there as well. All we have to do now is to reassemble the junction connector, and we're all set. So this is what the unit looks like assembled. So let's flip it over and turn it on. So currently this module is pulling 320 watts from the wall, but with the HLG 320H-54A driver, you can actually turn it up if you use the current adjust knob, and you can turn it up to 360 watts. And that's actually okay with this module. This module will take 360 watts. So thank you for watching, and a big thank you to our early supporters for the VELA modules. If you want to learn more and see the test reports, power maps, please check out our website, atriumlighting.com. We'll add a link in the description below.